Coronavirus disease 2019. Covid-19 is an incommunicable disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2. 7. The disease was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, the capital of China's Hubei province, and has since spread globally, leading to the continued 2019-20 coronavirus pandemic. 8-9 Common symptoms include fever, cough, and shortness of breath. 4 Other symptoms may include fatigue, muscle pain, diarrhea, raw throat, loss of smell, and abdominal pain. 4, 10, 11 The time from exposure to onset of symptoms is often around 5 days, but may range from 2 to 14 days. 4, 12 While the bulk of cases end in mild symptoms, some reach virus infection and multi-organ failure. 8, 13 As of the 16th of April 2020, quite 2.06 million cases are reported across 210 countries and territories. 14 Leading to over 134,000 deaths. Quite 511,000 people have recovered. 6 The virus is primarily spread between people during close contact, often via small droplets produced by coughing, sneezing, or talking. 5, 15, 17 While these droplets are produced when breath, they sometimes fall to the bottom or onto surfaces instead of being infectious over long distances. 5, 18, 19 People may additionally become infected by touching a contaminated surface, so their face. 5, 15 The virus can survive on surfaces for up to 72 hours. 20 It's most contagious during the primary 3 days after the onset of symptoms, although spread is also possible before symptoms appear and in later stages of the disease. 21 The standard method of diagnosis is by real-time reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction, or RT-PCR, from a nasopharyngeal swab. 22 Chest cord imaging may additionally be helpful for diagnosis in individuals where there is a high suspicion of infection-supported symptoms and risk factors. However, it's not recommended for routine screening. 23, 24 Recommended measures to forestall infection include frequent hand washing, maintaining physical distance from others, especially from those with symptoms, covering coughs and sneezes with a tissue or inner elbow, and keeping unwashed hands removed from the face. 25, 26 The employment of masks is suggested for those that suspect they need the virus and their caregivers. 27 Recommendations for mask use by the overall public vary, with some authorities recommending against their use, some recommending their use, et al. Requiring their use. 28, 29, 30 Currently, there's no vaccine or specific antiviral treatment for COVID-19. 5 Management involves treatment of symptoms, supportive care, isolation, and experimental measures. 31 The World Health Organization (WHO) declared the 2019-20 coronavirus outbreak a public health emergency of international concern. 32, 33 On the 30th of January 2020, an outbreak on the 11th of March 2020. 9 Local transmission of the disease has been recorded in many countries across all 6 regions.